Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your problems or errors in ChatGPT. So if you're facing problems like this one, not available in your country, or something else, then you're in the right video. The first tip that I can give here is first check if the available countries for ChatGPT and make sure your country is here. Like this, want to click here, wait for it to load. Here, make sure your country is listed here. If you cannot find it here, then you'll proceed to here, proceed to ChatGPT contact information. Here, you can contact support in ChatGPT here for the OpenAI. But this is very rare because most countries already have access to ChatGPT. So yeah, this is what you can do. This is what you can do for all the errors or problems you're encountering with ChatGPT. They can help you with very specific problems. But if you don't have time for this, or you don't want it because it's such a hassle, then proceed to the next steps. So the next tip that I can give you is to go to incognito, and here you're in private browsing, and then go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. Once you are here, you can check if it is working like this, or if not, then you can go to the settings of your browser and type in cache. You need to clear your browsing data right now. Choose what to clear. You can clear or reset your browser so that it would be clean and you don't have any errors on it. So that is another way for you to fix it. See your error in ChatGPT. And another one is to use VPN. So what I'm gonna show you is a list of VPNs that you can use. Best VPN for PC, or it can also be on Android or mobile devices. And there are a lot of VPNs here that is free, or if you want a premium version, then great. There are a lot of it here. You just need to search for it. You can use anything because it will work. You just need to connect to other IP address or other address like other countries like Canada, USA, where ChatGPT is available. Then you should be able to access ChatGPT with that. And that's it for today's video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.